Guys, let's build a unique to-do list app that syncs with Google Calendar.
What? My credit got low. Now what should I do?
Don't worry, bro. You're not alone. Many people get stuck while building their ideas. That's why, in today's video, I'm showing you the top 6 free AI tools that make building fast and easy. Meet Qwen Coder. It's an open source agentic coding assistant that lives right in your terminal, and it's completely free. It's built for developers who want an agent that can plan, edit files, and run commands autonomously. If you're on a Mac, just run brew install Qwen-code. It pulls down all the necessary dependencies in seconds. Once installed, fire it up. You'll need to authenticate quickly. Just use the standard Qwen OAuth to get your free daily tokens. Now let's push it. I'm asking it to build a fully functional ping pong game, create the specific directory and open the file automatically. Watch this workflow. It doesn't just guess, it creates a plan. It outlines the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript needed before writing a single line of code. It executes the plan step by step. It writes the structure, styles the game board, and creates the logic loop. It's actually writing the files to my machine in real time. And done. It opens the browser and we have a working game. Paddle physics, scoring, and controls generated in under a minute without me touching the code. The result is a fully playable 2-player arcade game. It gives us 2000 requests daily free in free tier. Tool number 2, Warp. If you want the absolute smartest AI models baked right into your terminal, this is the one. Warp reimagines the command line with agents built in. It turns your terminal into a modern, collaborative coding environment. Installation is just a simple drag and drop. With the new Agents 3.0 update, the AI has full terminal context. It can read your outputs, debug errors, and execute commands autonomously. But the real game changer is the model selection. Look at this list. You aren't stuck with basic models. You get access to Gemini, GPT, and even the heavy hitters like Claude 4.5 Opus with high reasoning capabilities. Let's test that power. I'm asking it to code a fully interactive Pac-Man game and open it immediately. It uses a chain of thought to plan the logic, writes the entire HTML file in one go, and because it's connected to the shell, it runs the open command for me. A working Pac-Man clone with ghosts, scoring, and movement. Nice.
Nice.
Tool number 3 is Kiro CLI. If you want a lightweight, terminal-based assistant that gives you access to specific high-end models, this is the one. I've pre-installed it, but setup is instant. Just run Kiro-CLI login, hit enter, to sync with your Google account and you are ready to roll. Check out the model selection. You can switch between different tiers of Claude on the fly. I'm selecting the latest Sonnet model for maximum power. Let's test that reasoning. I'm asking for a hit the squirrel game, basically whack-a-mole. Watch how it breaks down the request. It identifies the game mechanics, the timer, and the scoring system before writing a single line. It creates the directory, sets up the permissions, and streams the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly into the file. Zero copy pasting required. And boom, we have a working game. Look at that. Custom hammer cursor, a countdown timer, score tracking, and smooth animation on the squirrels. It coded a complete game loop in seconds. Next, we have the Gemini CLI. If you want Google's massive context window and speed directly in your terminal, this is the tool for you. It launches instantly with this cool retro ASCII logo. I'm going to test its logic by asking it to create a specific folder and build a classic snake game inside it. Check out the planning phase. It doesn't just start coding, it defines the scope first. It decides on the tech stack, HTML5, Canvas, and Vanilla.js, and outlines the collision mechanics. Once I approve the plan, it takes over. It runs the shell commands to create the directory and writes the game logic, styling, and HTML structure in one smooth process. It wraps up, gives me a summary of the features it just built, and opens the game automatically. The game runs perfectly, smooth movement, score tracking, working restart button, though I can't say the same for my actual gaming skills. Giving you hundreds of daily requests on their fast flash models and access to the latest pro experimental builds. Finally, tool number 5. The heavyweight champion, GitHub Copilot CLI. It's built for every workflow. Installation is standard. Just use npm or curl. If you're already in the GitHub ecosystem, this is the ultimate sidekick. Fire it up and you get this clean agent-based interface. It connects directly to your repository context, allowing for deep understanding of your project structure. Now, I totally forgot I had a pro subscription, which is a nice surprise because it unlocks the top tier models. I'm selecting Claude Sonnet 4.5 for the best reasoning capabilities. I'm tasking it with building a complete the word puzzle game. I wanted to handle the folder creation, the coding, and the launching all in one go. It acknowledges the prompt, creates the game907 directory, and streams the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files instantly. It opens the browser and look at that. A polished UI with a hint system. The hint is colorful flying insect. Let's see if the logic holds up. The interactive keyboard works perfectly. The score updates B, U, T T E are just finishing this up. FLY, butterfly. It works flawlessly, a complete game in under 2 minutes. With the free tier, you get access to the models from OpenAI and Anthropic, making it one of the most versatile CLI tools available. And for the final tool, we have the Cursor CLI. Built to help you ship code faster, it brings advanced models right to your command line. Just copy the curl command, paste it in, and let it handle the rest. Once installed, type agent to launch it. You get the slick matrix style loading screen. It authenticates securely and is ready to work. I'm trusting the workspace and throwing it a challenge. Make a shooting game in a new folder called shoot game and open it. Watch how it scaffolds the project, creates the JSON package and writes the game logic almost instantly. It's optimized for speed. It launches the game immediately. We've got a space shooter with movement, projectiles, and score tracking. Well, the game works even if the graphic design budget was zero. A win is a win. You get access to premium models like Claude 3.5, Sonnet, and GPT-4o with a decent free tier, making this a must-have for your dev toolkit. So there you have it, 6 powerful ways to turn your terminal into an AI superpower. Whether you need the reasoning of Claude or the speed of Gemini, there's a tool here for every workflow. But the AI space moves fast. Did I miss a hidden gem? If you know another CLI tool that deserves a spot on this list, let me know in the comments down below. If you found this rundown helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more AI tools and coding experiments. Thanks for watching and happy coding!